Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to a new vlog. I just picked my phone and I started recording क्योंकि I realized tomorrow is Thursday and I still have not planned anything to put for tomorrow. So I thought कि I'll just vlog क्योंकि that's easier to put into execution. And yeah, I'll show you around what a work from home day in my life looks like. And that's the plan. So for now, I got myself a cup of coffee. I don't remember when I started doing this, but now when I wake up, as soon as I wake up, I put my coffee to brew and I get my coffee in bed. And this feels amazing. I actually look forward for this morning ritual. So yeah, I'm gonna drink some coffee and I'm sleepy, I'm sorry. And do some reading. And it's 9:30 in the morning. I have a lot of work also. But yeah, let's all have a good day. Shall we? I'm reading this book called Bossy Pants. Got myself a second cup of coffee. It's already 11:40-ish और मैंने अब तक ब्रश भी नहीं करा क्योंकि मेरे को ऑफिस का थोड़ा काम भेजना था ASAP. सो आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग फ्रॉम बेड ओनली. पिछले कुछ दिनों से मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है कि ब्रश करने से पहले मेरा काम शुरू हो जाता है. तो या और मे बी दैट इज़ बिकॉज मैं रूटीन नहीं कर रही. Morning routine I'm not able to follow, but anyways, I am gonna finish a little bit more work and then I will brush, freshen up and do some workout. काफ़ी gloomy सा day है आज, जो almost every second day होता है, but मैं आपको ये बताना चाहती थी. तो ना कुछ दिनों से मैं काफ़ी एंग्शियस उठ रही हूँ. I know why, but yeah. So what I have done is I have taken this Kuti notebook and I write everything that I need to get done. मतलब बहुत छोटे से छोटा, जैसे throw garbage or exercise which I know I will do, but still I'll just write it. And yeah, I don't know, somehow I don't know, people actually say कि you know, when you write a to-do list and follow it and you tick it out, तुम्हें ऐसा फील होता है कि you know you have got a lot of things done. पर मेरे को थोड़ा उल्टा ही होता है. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं था जो मैंने टू डू लिस्ट में नहीं डाला था, मतलब weird. But anyways, I have been doing this for a week and it actually helps me get out of bed in the morning. क्योंकि मेरे को पता है कि अच्छा ये काम करना है, तो मैं सोचने में टाइम नहीं लगता. तो या दैट इज़ ऑल आई वांटेड टू से. अब आई स्वेयर इसके बाद के क्लिप्स आपको मैं अच्छे कपड़ों में विद अच्छी होलिया में दिखूंगी. प्रॉमिस. आई एम गोइंग.
And I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, the rest of the day is literally just.
Hi again. I took a shower and I am ready. Now I will film one reel which I want to post today. And वैसे इसके पहले हफ्ते तक I think मैं रोज़ पोस्ट करती थी क्योंकि मैं नहा के वैसे भी तैयार तो होती हूँ, तो why not? And it's fun. And oh, by the way, you should follow me on Instagram if you are not. It's your wish. But today I want to film how to wear a cardigan in 3 ways. Now see, if you want to know how, then you have to check. Sorry. But yeah, so yes, I'm gonna do that right now. And uske baad I have little work. वो करके I'll make lunch. But for now, I'll make a reel. Usually मेरे को 10 मिनट 15 मिनट लगते हैं एक रील बनाने में, 15 सेकेंड का. बट ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. एंड या आई शो यू माई आउटफिट. सो आई एम वेयरिंग दिस टर्टल नेक sweater. I don't remember from where I got it. I got this cardigan from Forever 21. See how I'm wearing it. And this skirt also from Forever. 21. I love Forever 21 के कपड़े. It's so cheap and I like it. जब मैंने सुना था कि बंद होने वाला, मैं बहुत सैड हो गई थी. क्या कर सकते, मेरा बिजनेस तो है नहीं ना. But yeah, I'll see you later. It's almost क्या? It's 4-5 and I'm making my lunch now. मतलब I'm starving but I had so much work. This is the worst part कि आपको खाना तब नहीं मिलता जब आपको मन करता है, आपको खुद बनाना पड़ता है. Hate it. I miss you, ma. But yeah, what I'm making eggs. What else? इतने कम time तो ये से बनाना भी नहीं होता. But anyway, this is my lunch. I have avocado, tomatoes and egg. इससे fast और efficient कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
Pieces, we drizzled over top some oil, and then we added some spices to it. I usually like to
Eating, सारा खाना, watching food video. अपने ब्रेन को बताने के लिए कि अच्छा खाना खा रहे हो. Checking my own brain. Will I be successful? No. Will I still try? Yes. And also I love watching food videos. It's just me and my chair in Spotify. But I have a call now at 6 o'clock. Oh, this is some friend.
Hi, Sam.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Just running out from the COVID, so I'm
Yeah, I heard there will be a lockdown again.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm
Hi,
fine.
I just finished my call. It's almost 6:45. Oh, yeah, the point of starting the video. I was thinking since morning कि मैं बताऊंगी कि मेरा काम कैसा है. Although I can't say much, but मैं फिर भी बता सकती हूँ कि मैं क्या करती हूँ in general. So yeah, I work for a digital marketing agency in Milan, and so we are working on a project for this US brand who is using food waste from this restaurants and people and how they can use it for different purpose. So it's a sustainable brand, and so basically we have to design a campaign for them. So currently I'm working on that project. It's very exciting. It's very amazing but quite hectic because there's a tender on Friday, so we have to finish everything by that. So yeah, so that is what I'm currently working in. But yeah, I'm actually done for now. I have to go for grocery shopping because I don't have anything. I will go do that and come back and probably work some more later. Hi. Oh, I'm tired. Anyways, I wanted to show you what I got. I have always wanted to do this grocery haul wala thingy, and I'm finally doing it. I'm just so happy. Is the light fine? Should I get something? Never mind. Okay. First, I got ball peppers because obviously, then yogurt, then I got some grapes, then I got this canned butter, whatever that is called. Okay, then I got bread, then I got anda, then I got chocolate, because this is what is required to make me happy. Okay, oh, come here. Don't fall. Oh. Then I have one biscuit, broccoli. So nicely I have split. Okay. Then this is the wallet. Then I got tomato. Okay. Then I got one avocado. Then I got pesto, क्योंकि खाना तो यही बनेगा. I got 3 pesto like this. This is, I think, basil pesto. And I got some apples. Then I found strawberries. Woohoo! I got strawberries, that is why I got the chocolate spread, because the chocolate or what. So I got 2 packets of chips. This is my favorite chips here. First of all though, because this is the sasta one, and this is very yummy. It's called Fonzie's. That is about it. Okay. My room looks so cozy. I don't like bright lights at night. But okay, sorry, मैं बिल्कुल लाइट के पास ही गई हूँ क्योंकि वहाँ आपको कुछ दिखेगा नहीं. But anyways, it's almost past 12 and I finished all my work. Then I changed and I freshened up and all that. And yeah, that's all for this vlog, and that's all for my day. Now I'm just gonna watch something and pass out. So yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please share your feedback, comments, or any suggestion you have, put it in the comment section below. And if you like this video, you can press the thumbs up button, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. And if you're not convinced enough, you can watch a few more videos I'll put up here on the screen, and then you can decide. And yeah, that's all. I hope you have a productive week, a great week, and don't forget to smile. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.